Shorty got a booty right out of a fucking movie. Tad bit moody, but I love her all the same. Crazy how she do me, man, she really give it to me. I bang her like a Uzi, cause she groovy to the grain. Go girl, yeah, it's your world, I'm just busy living in it. Damn, the way you do it, got him saying no she didn't. I should call you Morticia, my little mortician. I know you were killing my sweat like it was written. I need you on my side, oh yeah, that Shotty Pippin. Fuck them other bitches, don't you even go there. They cut like nose hair, you know we a dope pair. Cut from the same cloth, puff with the same car. Nightmare for HR, cutting in the bathroom of the mall in the motherfucking star, knocking hinges out the wall. I ain't little at all, but I can be your base guard.
Got a little shorty, she do anything for me. Do it for a man, she don't do it for the glory. A lot of girls bad, but a lot of girls bore me. You got it in the bag, you a whole nother story.
I got a little shorty, she do anything for me. Do it for a man, she don't do it for the glory. A lot of girls bad, but a lot of girls bore me. You got it in the bag, you a whole nother story.
Yeah, I like the way you work it. Yeah, I like to bag it up.
Yeah,
I like the way you work it.
no diggity.
I like to bag it up.
Bag it up.
I like the way you work it.
No diggity.
I like to bag it up.
Hey,
I like the way you work it.
no diggity.
I like to bag it up.
Mommy got a body, got me dodging paparazzi. Cutie kinda bougie, but it ain't no thing. Louis and Versace, front row, box seats. I can make it happen cause I play no games. And she love it when I say those things. You won't ever get a shot if you take no aim. They so lame, dudes wanna run those lips. I had to go, she'll be there when I come home rich. And we could splurge that shit, we could spend that shit. Hit the dealership and big body bands that shit. And that'll come soon, that'll be a big day. I never thought we'd make a living off a mixtape. I never thought I'd find you on my off night. She's not afraid of the dark or the spotlight. And I appreciate the way you chill and how you always get it done when you say you will.